Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 strongest animals in the world. We're about to take you on a thrilling journey through the animal kingdom, showcasing the sheer strength and power of some truly amazing creatures. From the dense forests, the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, we'll reveal animals with astonishing abilities that put even the strongest humans to shame. You'll be amazed at what some of these creatures can do. So are you ready to discover the power beasts of the animal kingdom? Let's dive in. Did you know that a dung beetle can pull 1,141 times its own body weight? That's like an average person pulling 6 double-decker buses full of people? Now that's a real display of power, right from the humblest corners of the animal kingdom. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey, counting down the top 10 strongest creatures on Earth. Each one has its unique strengths and abilities that will surprise you. So if you thought that was impressive, buckle up as we dive into the top 10 strongest animals on the planet. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have the grizzly bear. A force to be reckoned with, the grizzly bear boasts a strength that can lift objects nearly 1,000 pounds. Imagine that, lifting a grand piano single-handedly. And let's not forget its jaw-dropping bite force, capable of crushing a bowling ball. That's right, a bowling ball. These fur-coated powerhouses are truly the brawn of the wilderness. So next time you're in the wild, remember to give these powerful creatures the respect they deserve. Slithering into the 9th spot, we have the anaconda. This sinuous showstopper isn't just a sight for sore eyes. Its strength lies in its coiling power, which it uses to literally squeeze the life out of its unfortunate prey. Imagine a hug, but one you can't escape from. Not your average cuddle buddy, right? This is how the anaconda makes its living, making the most of its mighty muscle power. Just remember, these creatures are more scared of you than you are of them. Or so they say. Swinging into the 8th spot, we have the gorilla. These hulking primates are powerhouses of the animal kingdom, possessing the strength to lift and carry objects nearly 10 times their own body weight. That's like an average human hoisting a small car. Despite their intimidating might, gorillas are typically peaceful, preferring to use their strength for climbing and gathering food. But don't be fooled by their vegetarian diet and calm demeanor. So while they might seem like gentle giants, there's no denying the gorilla's incredible strength. Stomping into the 7th spot, we have the African elephant. This colossal creature is not just a spectacle of size, but a testament to nature's raw power. It can lug around loads that would make a freight train break a sweat thanks to bone-crushing strength. Elephants are the movers and shakers of the animal world, literally shaping the landscape with their might. So the next time you see an elephant, remember, it's not just their size that's impressive, but their strength too. Pouncing into the 6th spot, we have the tiger. Tigers are not just the largest cat species, but also one of the strongest animals on the planet. Their muscular build and powerful forelimbs allow them to take down prey that's several times their own size, but it's not just brute strength that sets them apart. Tigers also possess remarkable agility and speed, making them formidable hunters. They may be beautiful, but don't forget, these big cats are also incredibly powerful. Charging into the 5th spot, we have the ox. Now don't let their domesticated nature fool you. These creatures are truly a force to be reckoned with. Exhibiting remarkable strength and endurance, oxen are known to carry heavy loads for extended periods. They're like the superheroes of the farming world, showing off their muscle power day after day. And it's not just a one-off show of strength, oh no, they keep going and going, much like that battery bunny. So, while they may be domesticated, there's no denying the raw power of the ox. Crawling into the 4th spot, we have the leafcutter ant. These diminutive powerhouses of the insect world are no pushovers. You see, a leafcutter ant can carry objects up to 50 times its own body weight. That's like you lifting a truck over your head, and then going for a casual stroll. It's their incredible strength that enables these ants to cut and transport leaves, transforming them into a nutritious fungus garden. So the next time you see an ant, remember, these tiny creatures are stronger than they look. Soaring into the 3rd spot, we have the eagle. Now the eagle isn't just a bird with a pretty face. It's all about strength. Their grip, for instance, is something to marvel at. It's stronger than the human hand by far, allowing them to snatch up heavy prey with ease. And let's not forget their flying prowess. Carrying heavy loads while soaring through the sky? No problem for these feathered powerhouses. So while they may be majestic, there's no denying the eagle's incredible strength. Buzzing into the 2nd spot, we have the rhinoceros beetle. Now don't let their tiny size fool you. These little powerhouses can lift objects up to 850 times their own weight. That's like a human hoisting 6 double-decker buses. Incredible, isn't it? It's their specially adapted bodies and strong exoskeletons that make this Herculean feat possible, and just imagine, all this strength is packed into a body that's less than 2 inches long. So while they may be small, these beetles are incredibly strong. And finally, rolling into the top spot, we have the dung beetle. Now, before you wrinkle your nose in disgust, let me tell you, this little creature is a titan in the insect world. In the realm of raw power, the dung beetle is the undisputed heavyweight champ. Now, you might be thinking, how strong can a bug really be? Brace yourself for this. A dung beetle can pull objects that are over 1,000 times its own body weight. That's like an average human pulling 6 double-decker buses filled to the brim with people. You heard that right. These tiny creatures, often no larger than a penny, possess strength that would put even the Hulk to shame. And all this power is used for what, you ask? Rolling balls of animal waste across the savannah. Not the most glamorous job, but hey, someone's got to do it. But it's not just about brute strength. The dung beetle's role in the ecosystem is crucial. By burying and consuming dung, they help to recycle nutrients, control parasites and disease, and even aid in seed dispersal. So the next time you spot a dung beetle, don't just dismiss it as a gross insect. Remember, it's a tiny powerhouse, a marvel of nature, and a true underdog, or should we say underbug. So there you have it, the top 10 strongest animals in the world. It just goes to show, strength comes in all shapes and sizes. And that concludes our countdown of the top 10 strongest animals. From the mighty grizzly bear to the tiny but powerful dung beetle, we've journeyed together through the fascinating world of the animal kingdom, exploring the incredible strength of these creatures, both big and small. We've seen the raw power of the anaconda, the majestic strength of the eagle, and the surprising might of the leafcutter ant. Each one of these animals, in their own way, showcases the amazing diversity and power that exists in our natural world. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these animals do you find the most impressive? Are there any strong animals that you think should have been on this list? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to hear what you have to say. And remember, strength isn't always about size. Just ask the dung beetle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay strong and keep exploring the wild wonders of our world.